Udlame langesonto ledlule lukhahlameza izikhungo zokugoma eziyikhulu nama-20 eGauteng naKwaZulu-Natal. Kuzo kukhona ezimele nengaphansi kwaHulumeni. Umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni ulinyalelwe impahla ebalelwa egidini ezimbili zamarandi. Impikisho iholele ekubambezelekeni kohlelo lokugoma esifundazweni uma kuqhathaniswa nezinye izifundazwe. Uhulumeni uthi ukugonywa kwabantu esifundazweni sekubuyele esimweni.
Yes, there was a disruption, but we are seeing the recovery of the province in terms of vaccination, whereby the numbers are starting to peak. You can see being on the side, the number of people here, and the report that we are receiving at one day, they were able to even vaccinate 1,700 people on site in one just facility. That tells you that the province has picked up pace, and we will be continuing to support them.
Ungqongqoshe uthi umnyango unohlelo lokulekelela umphakathi onezikhungo ezithikamezekile.
So the alternative is to say where we have existing sites, we'll redirect the public and the traffic towards those sites, and also both in private and public. So that's what we are looking at. In terms of our public sector as well, the infrastructure that we're doing the same, redirecting where we have challenges of sites closer to people.
Ungqongqoshe uKubayi uthi uhulumeni uhlela ukugoma abantu abayigidi engama-35 ekupheleni kwalonyaka. Bongani Gema, indaba ze-SABC eThekwini.